Welcome to Rapid Rates Club. Imagine spending your entire life chasing things that do not truly matter. More money, more followers, more approval from other people. And then one day you realize that the things you sacrificed, your time, energy, and peace, for were never the things that made you happy. What if the secret to a meaningful life is not doing more but focusing on less? Today, we explore the powerful lessons from the book Focus on What Matters. Let's discover the life changing principles hidden in this remarkable book. Lesson number 1. Being busy is not the same as being productive. We live in a world full of distractions. Our phones, social media, endless notifications, and countless responsibilities constantly demand our attention. As a result, many people stay busy all day but achieve very little that truly matters. The book teaches us that productivity is not about doing more things, it is about doing the right things. Before starting any task, ask yourself, is this moving me closer to my goals or is it just keeping me busy? That simple question can transform your life. Lesson number 2. Your attention is your greatest asset. Your attention is one of the most valuable resources you possess. Where your attention goes, your life follows. Think of a sunlight. When scattered, it provides warmth, but when focused through a magnifying glass, it becomes powerful enough to start a fire. Similarly, focused attention creates extraordinary results. People who achieve great things are not necessarily more talented than others. They are often simply better at concentrating on what truly matters. Protect your attention as carefully as you protect your money. Lesson number 3. Learn the power of saying no. One of the most powerful words in the world is no. Many people say yes to everything because they fear disappointing others. But every time you say yes to something unimportant, you say no to something important. Successful people understand that their time is limited. They carefully choose where to invest it. The book reminds us that saying no is not selfish. It is a way of protecting your priorities and respecting your goals. Lesson number 4. Focus on relationships, not just achievements. Many people spend years chasing success while neglecting the people they love. Yet, at the end of life, very few people wish they had spent more time working. Instead, they wish they had spent more time with family, friends, and loved ones. The book teaches that meaningful relationships are among life's greatest treasures. Money can be recovered, lost opportunities can return, but lost time with loved ones can never be regained. Invest in relationships because they are what make life truly meaningful. Lesson number 5 of this book is stop comparing yourself to others. Comparison steals joy. In today's digital world, we constantly see the success stories of others, but we rarely see their struggles, failures, and sacrifices. The book encourages us to focus on our own journey. You do not need to compete with everyone around you. Your only competition should be the person you were yesterday. Celebrate your progress no matter how small it may seem. Every step forward is still progress. Lesson number 6 of this book is about discover your purpose. A life without purpose often feels empty. Purpose gives direction to your actions and meaning to your efforts. When you know why you are doing something, challenges become easier to overcome. The book encourages readers to identify their values and align their actions with those values. Ask yourself, what kind of person do I want to become? The answer to that question can guide every important decision in your life. Lesson number 7 of this book is let go of what doesn't matter. Many people waste years worrying about things they have little importance. Past mistakes, negative comments, arguments, failures. The book teaches us that not everything deserves our attention. Whenever something bothers you, ask, will this matter 5 years from now? If the answer is no, let it go. Life becomes much lighter when you stop carrying unnecessary burdens. Lesson number 8. Small daily actions create extraordinary results. Success is rarely created overnight. Great achievements are usually the result of small actions repeated consistently over time. Reading a few pages daily, learning one new thing every day, improving little by little. These small actions may seem insignificant today, but they create remarkable results over months and years. The book reminds us that focusing on what matters is not a one-time decision, it is a daily habit. Lesson number 9 is protect your time. Time is the only resource that can never be replaced. You can earn more money, you can recover from failure, but you can never get back lost time. The book encourages us to spend our time intentionally. Use your time on things that bring growth, happiness, and meaning. Do not follow distractions to steal the most valuable asset you possess. Lesson number 10. Build a life around what truly matters. The final lesson of the book is simple but powerful. A meaningful life is not built by accident, it is built through conscious choices. Choose your priorities wisely. Choose your relationships carefully. Choose your goals intentionally, and most importantly, choose where your attention goes, because your focus ultimately becomes your future. So, to sum up, we can say that by the end of this book, we say that being busy is not the same as being productive. Your attention is your greatest asset. Learn the power of saying no and focus on relationships. And lesson number 5 is stop comparing yourself to others. And next is discover your purpose. And lesson number 7 is about let go of what doesn't matter. Lesson number 8 is about small daily actions create extraordinary results. Lesson number 9 is protect your time. Lesson number 10 is build a life around what truly matters. The greatest message of this book is very simple. Your life becomes what you focus on. So focus on your dreams, focus on your growth, focus on your loved ones, and focus on your purpose. And let everything else fade into the background. Thank you for watching. If you found these lessons valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Until next time, remember, focus on what matters, because the quality of your focus determines the quality of your life. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you in the next video. Thank you very much for listening.